Alright guys, I'm here making a video about the trigger button on the PlayStation 4. Just noticed this for the first time ever owning a PlayStation. I'm sorry the controller's so dirty, but I had it for a long time. It wouldn't shoot, so I would aim, but it wouldn't shoot. I fixed it, so now it's shooting obviously. But before that, it wasn't shooting. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Alright guys? Okay guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously turn off or disconnect your Bluetooth controller. But in my case, I'm not going to do so because whatever, I don't feel like doing it. So there's a couple of screws that you have to take out. One right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. So total of 4 screws. I already taken them out. They're that small. There are Phillips. I personally used this screwdriver right here. Alright, good. Alright, what you want to do is have it facing down. This is the easiest, less messiest way. Alright, and you see how it disconnects right here? What you want to do is disconnect it. Maybe squeeze it together, hear it pop. Or you could use a very tiny flathead and just squeeze in between the cracks to crack the shell like so. Don't crack it, don't break it, and do that all around until you crack the shell open, okay? But be very careful and don't touch any of these buttons while you're trying to crack the case in half. Okay, once you crack it in half, it's gonna come out like this. Simply just put it like that. Very simple, very clean. Make sure nothing pops out of place or looks disoriented. Alright, this is the quickest, easiest, fastest way. Don't waste your $50 on a new controller. Don't go beg your hardworking mom for $50 on a new controller. This is easy peasy how to fix it right here. You see this little tissue right here? I put that there. This is how you're gonna fix the problem. With a piece of freaking tissue. Alright? I'm gonna show you right here since you can't see. You see how this little latch right here is stopping this from popping out? You see that? That's really good. That's what you want. But what you want to also do is you could move it backwards and lift it up a little bit. So I just moved it backwards and I tilted this little piece of plastic up a little bit and I let it fall back. Make sure you don't break this piece. You break this piece, you're screwed, okay? And you just disconnect it, just pull it up. All right? Now what you're gonna do is, you see this gap right here? You see this gap right here? You wanna put a little piece of tissue right here. Piece of tissue this big. Nothing dramatic, nothing crazy. You just stuff it in there, let it sit clean. You see these 2 little grooves right there? These gonna fit right here. As if it like a Lego. And you just pop it right in here. That's it. Boom. You just pull it back, make sure it works. It doesn't spring too much. It's good. Same thing on this side, it's good. Now, you're done guys. All you have to do is put the freaking shell back on, make sure it's aligned, and put the screws back on. Alright, after you tightened your screws, everything is in. Everything works like a charm. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Again, save your money, don't be a fool. Quick, easy fix, no brainer. Until next time, guys.